On today's episode of I Should Know What I'm Doing by Now, but I really have no idea, I'm going to be working with Brian from HGTVs BroLaws, and he's going to be teaching me the proper way of installing hardwood flooring. So let's get this party started. Alright, so a lot of people are probably wondering, dude, what the hell is the point of this? And basically, I want to be able to look back on my journey and watch my growth as a contractor, as a carpenter, as a builder, and hopefully we can help some people along the way. Speaking of help, let's give Brian a hand, shall we? Alright, so we're on site, and Brian has the floor protection down. Let's see what he's up to. There's Brian. What you got going on?
We're just starting our first piece of hardwood here.
Go on.
So we have a threshold here, at the top of the stairs, a nosing, sorry. That we want to make sure that our hardwood matches up flush to. So I'm having to shim up just along the nosing here in certain spots so that the flooring is flush. And then in between the PL just basically acts like a liquid shim, so when it dries up it'll be floated out nicely.
That's good, man. Really good.
Just gotta nail it in.
Tapered along that wall there to match it. Very nice. Brian just shot some face nails, that little guy right there, into this section right here, and then he's going to use the floor nailer, punch it with the hammers, and then shoot the staples, Brad? The nails. Staples into that tongue right there. And then we just stack and go.
Yeah, buddy. Rows and your finishing rows, you have to finish off with the 16 gauge.
Because it's too close to the wall, we have to use the brad nails and shoot them on an angle inside the tongue. Hey there. So we're at the point now where we've got the carpet up, and we're going to install these screws into the subflooring to help prevent the squeaks later on. Now, in normal subflooring, you're going to have these black lines, and those typically represent where your floor joists are. You're going to want to put your screws inside your subfloor and into the floor joists. But if you miss one, like I did right here, you just take something flat, it could be a pry bar or a painter's tool, screwdriver, put it underneath the screw like this, and then just apply some pressure and lift up. And when you use your drill, pull that out, the force will just shoot it right out of there. Let's get to it.
1, 2, 3, jump!
Okay, well, that just about does it in terms of the hardwood flooring. Anyways, back sore, my knees are sore, nothing a bag of Doritos can't fix, but man, is it a lot of work. And speaking of a lot of work, these vlogs are a lot harder than I thought they were going to be. Speaking of which, am I famous yet?
Jump!